Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to upload photos to Google Drive and share a link. So in order for us to get this done, I'm here in Google and we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here in order for us to open the Google Drive. Now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and create a new folder, this one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and write here photos just like so. And then what we are going to do is open that folder, right click here, and then click File Upload. And then you can just go ahead and basically look for the images that you want to upload. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and try to find, say for example, about 5 photos, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and click open. So as you can see, it is going to automatically upload all of these 5 photos. Now once you're done uploading them, you can just go over and click photos here, click share, and then tap the share button once again. And then from here, what you're going to do is, instead of restricted, you can go ahead and click this one and choose anyone with the link. And then you can go ahead and copy the link and then share this to people. Alternatively, you can go ahead and add here people. For example, I'm going to go ahead and add my other email here and then hit enter. So from here, you can just go ahead and basically click this one right here and then choose what would they be. So will they be viewer alone, commenter, or will they be able to organize, add and edit files in here? So go ahead and basically click the send button once you're done, or paste the link depending on how you'd like to do it. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.